Let's talk about how to add your people to your Trainual account. That way they can take advantage of all the super awesome content you're putting together for them. In Trainual, I'm going to click on People and then Manage. That will bring me to my Manage People page, where I can create and manage the profiles for the new people I add. Let's go ahead and add someone new. I'm going to click the Invite button right here, and then I'll enter their information. By clicking the Advanced Settings, I can do a few other things, like assign a role, a team, and even who he reports to. And then I can also decide whether his profile will show up in the directory. At the end, I can click Invite, or I can send the invite later on. My choice. Once I click Invite, my employee will receive an email with a link that will allow them to join the team. Now here's a pro tip. Start by inviting the people who will be joining you in creating the content you need to build out first.